How to fix the sound on Google Meet on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the sound on Google Meet on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here type Meet and click on it, and then click force stop. Now click storage and then clear cache, and after that just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, come back here, disable this one, and now open Google Meet again, and then come back here and allow it, and that's it. I hope that can fix your problem, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.